Hi, this is Berpusat. We're in Lagares, Portugal for the first race of World Enduro Super Series.
On Friday we have Super Enduro race just for qualification for the next day, so yeah, it will be fun.
I took the win in the final then, and yeah, happy with my riding, and look forward to the next 2 days of racing.
Prologue on Saturday in the town in Porto, and it's a really cool race because you don't get to do it anywhere else in the world. You're going in the city, up the stairs, through the town, through the streets. A lot of spectators, a lot of people watching, and yeah, it's just something different and something good to be a part of.
It went good, well, this prologue is about the start, really, and then making no mistakes. Yeah, we had a good we had a good race going on, and we all settled the position and got it done. So yeah, happy with the ride and looking forward to tonight already. I think I have a good position for tomorrow, so this is all that mattered the last 2 days.
The main race on Sunday is crazy. You go off at 10-second intervals on how you've qualified, and yeah, it's just all riverbeds, and then there's some fast going in between, but it's super slippy when the rocks get wet, and then yeah, it lasts for about 6 hours.